My name is Heidi, and I run a nonprofit children's dental charity called Sailing for Smiles, as you can see on the boom. And we visit children's classrooms, Head Start, 3 and 4-year-olds, and we talk about teeth. And I came up with a story that I could read to these 3 and 4-year-olds. And then I met Katie. And Katie is quite the artist. So I gave her my story, and she illustrated it for me.
We're the Redneck Redcoats, and we're sailing SV, fresh to Soldy.
We're on a journey, looking back on the things that we've taken for granted, but feels like we're learning to be better without what's been holding us back now. Let's move closer to a new history, find out what we can be together. Take my hand and we will conquer the world. This is our final chance. 'Cause one day we'll be looking back at this. We were in a big mess together. But we found a way to choose right from wrong. We found the strength to go on together. To go on together. Yeah. To go on together. To go on together.
My name is Heidi, and I run a nonprofit children's dental charity called Sailing for Smiles, as you can see on the boom. And we visit children's classrooms, Head Start, 3 and 4-year-olds, and we talk about teeth. And I came up with a story that I could read to these 3 and 4-year-olds. And then I met Katie. And Katie is quite the artist. So I gave her my story, and she illustrated it for me. And just today, we got together and made a book. We put everything together and got it all printed out. And it's just beautiful. Look at her illustrations. They're wonderful. And so I will be reading this to all the kids at the Head Start programs in South Carolina and St. Augustine, Florida. So I wanted to present Katie with her copy of the book.
Hang on.
And $50 for putting together the illustrations for me. So that is for you. Thank you so much, okay? Do you have a picture?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh yeah. Perfect.
Awesome.
Yeah.
So,
Perfect.
Thank you so much.
Yeah. Outstanding. Yeah. It worked out great.
It did.
Yeah.
It turned out really good.
Thank you, Katie.
Yeah.
Good job.
Yeah, good job.
You are soon. It's quite possible that you could be a published illustrator pretty soon.
I think so.
And here we are, about to witness the annual migration of the mingus, a rare species, as it sails intrepidly south.
You're leaving.
Stay in touch.
All right. We are now clear to the left. Yeah. Give us a little forward bump.
Now, no wake. I think we established that.
Away we go.
Yay!
If I don't make it, it's because she threw me overboard.
and she would be perfectly justified.
I'll cover for you. Don't worry. I got your back.
See you soon.
All right.
Today, we're gonna get the kids to wax the bottom of the dinghy. This should be fun.
No.
No.
I did better last time.
Yeah, you hate it. On a time, long ago, far away, centuries before our day. Go far away, centuries before our day. Humans lived and monsters from both shared earth and sky as home. Then one day peace came undone. War was waged and humans won. Force feed
Saved it.
monsters fell. Humans trapped them with a spell. Listen, children, to my words. Ebbet will eat you for. We were so close to finishing it though.
Oh, my leg.
Down it and see where you missed. See where they're shiny and where it's dull. Well, bend down. You see it now?
Not really.
Look right down there. See the reflections?
Oh yeah.
Right. Well, don't want it getting dirty, really.
Are you serious? It's gonna get dirty.
Yeah, well, I don't know.
You did it.
So Latrell, being the illustrious person that she is, decided to get a cricket out and name the boat. So now we have a fresh to salty R2 Tender 2, fresh to salty. And the R2 is redneck redcoat, or the 2 R's. And if you know your Amazon IT lingo, it's very similar to S3, where I'm using the first letter of each word. So I think she did an excellent job. I'm going to row all the way into Oriental because someone's using the courtesy car to go and fly out of town for a bit. So someone's going to get fit and sleep well tonight.
I really feel like you should be facing the direction you're rowing to.
That's not how rowing works.
Then how do you know where you're rowing to if you're by yourself?
Look round the cable.
Huh?
Look behind you.
Feeling worn out yet?
It's casual Monday row. Hey, if it gets rid of my stomach, that'd be great.
Huh? Water looks a lot higher right here than it does over there.
Feel like shiny.
Why does it look a lot higher from right there?
Because the back of the dinghy's going down.
Fair enough.
It's okay. We would not put you in danger. And if we
I
do put
know.
you in danger and you fall off, you have a life jacket. Just swim to shore.
I know.
Feeling worn out yet?
No. Not so often you lose your rhythm.
And the boat's right, can't see, over there.
I can see their little heads.
Yeah, see all their heads coming up? I don't know if I can get that on video, but yeah. That was cool. They're going over there now. And the beach is right there.
How does that work? They don't have like feet or fins.
I don't know, maybe you need to
They just
visit.
like shimmy? Just like shimmy their way over places?
Open their thingy? I don't know.
Oh, that was pretty cool, huh? Alright, how you get?
I don't want to step in the water.
Probably gonna have to a little bit. Whoa, grab the rope, grab the rope, grab the rope!
Ah! Oh, bye!
She didn't even try to grab the rope, she just said, oh, bye!
That was a little bit harder than I thought. It's absolute beautiful neighbourhoods around here. All colonial style houses. Mixture of houses on stilts, and yeah, very pretty.
Looks like fun riding the garbage truck. Good.
Is it still there?
Yeah, I see it. Okay.
No one's run off with it?
Nope.
Now to try not to get sand in my feet.
Huh?
Now to try not to get sand in my feet.
Well, just take your flip-flops off.
No, because I get sand on my feet. Shake it
You're
out.
gonna get them wet anyway.
No, I'm not.
Yeah, you are.
Let me in there.
Good lord.
Are you still paddling?
Yes.
That was Tom was gonna do it.
See how I do when I get about halfway.
No. No, stop. I'm gonna fall in.
You better hang on to that handle right there so you don't.
If I fall in and my hoodie gets wet, I'm blaming you guys.
How worn out you feeling?
So they're pretty strong.
Arms are a bit sore.
My turn.
No, we're not.
Do you want to turn?
We're not even out out of like the general area.
Talon kind of wants to try.
How do I do this?
Right, just pull back.
What? I don't know.
That's it, you do it. Put it down. That's it.
Yeah. She's like,
I can't use double handles. I can't. It's frustrating.
just keep trying.
You gotta get into a rhythm of it. That's it.
Hiding.
I would be like that too.
That's funny. Keep going.
Seawater covered in water.
I'll put you doing paddling.
Why is the phone moving so much?
His dad's trying to paddle faster. He's getting tired and nobody wants to paddle.
We're almost there.
And I think he finds it a little bit funny to get revenge on all of us by splashing us because he's paddling and we're not.
Whoa.
Now he's doing it!
He is doing it on purpose.
Oh.
He's a big jerk about it too.
No bomb.
I think you may have produced some wake when you were purposely splashing us. Good job to Whitaker Point Marina for putting up the no wake signs. It's about darn time.
The boat here.
What are we doing?
We're losing a rhythm.
In place 3, we're not even.
Oh. Whoa, no, that's not.
Or we just keep on going here? We'll do a quick time to figure that out. I may have possibly found something that makes me just as nervous as having our boat hauled out. And we're about to do it, and it's got me a little bit, yeah, a little anxiety today.